One has to have work satisfaction and become freedom financially and have time freedom, then we start enjoying each and every aspect of life. Hey, this is Sangapa Belanki, BRM consultant and a coach. You may ask, why did I start BRM mentorship program? It's all inspired by my life itself, because in the initial stage of my career, also in the mid career, I was quite stuck and was not having any confidence to work on my own and take the requirement, analyze it, design it, and code it. So I was very much depend on my colleagues and also my peers. So how long we need to be, dependent on others, right? Then that is the stage where I started thinking a lot, and I started thinking why it is happening to me, why I have to worry more, right? And so I was basically thinking in a negative way, and that is taking me again down and down. But at some point of time, I read big books, and then the inspiring books, gone through Swami Vivekananda's uh, writings, then also took personal courses and worked on my mind and body. Finally, I also wrote a book called Mend the Mind. You can see there. So basically, first we need to work on our body and mind, become independent, and make sure we should not fear out because of something, right? So after that, then what if, you know and you also know that because of office politics and all, the learning is not that easy. People don't give their knowledge or share easily, rather take few negative points and then try to you know uh, keep speaking about negativity, and those things even I went through. Because I was unable to handle, I used to worry a lot, right? But later, after learning the gaining the self confidence, and then I thought, what if I can help the people? Definitely some people in the industry, right? Like maybe they are facing the issues, right? Whatever I faced, then why they have to struggle, right? Why that needs to happen, basically, rather than worrying and keep trying to take help of others. It's not needed, right? So we can become independent. Then that's where, like, from 2018 I started working as an independent consultant, and from there the journey is awesome, and I was able to earn more compared to the employment, and I'm independent. I can take as much as assignments and then do the work whatever I like, right? So it can be opportunities within India, from abroad. So I'm working on, and then parallelly I thought, let me train the aspirants. They may be having a lot of traumas and no easy learning. So I already completed one batch which is having around 10 people. They learned, and slowly they are getting placed, because I have many contacts, because I worked various clients, the customers, and then uh, Indian companies, right? I also had on-site opportunities, so I have contacts through LinkedIn. So companies do have a lot of requirements, but they need confident candidates, right? Not just you know uh, only at surface level, but when it comes to, if people ask or cross question, right, you are unable to answer because you don't know the basics maybe, and then you don't know to the core. But if we try to know the things to the core and practice, right, then definitely we will become a excellent resource, and that will help the clients to have a good turnaround, and you can solve many requirements and help the company, client, and help yourself. So, and also, as we know, because of AI, most of the uh, routine work, especially testing, right, and the operation work, they are getting replaced by AI. So better to shift to development area, learn the skills, upskill yourself, feel the confidence, get the practical knowledge, and then there are a lot of opportunities. There are no scarcity, especially in BRM, right? So the maintenance works, the maintenance work, the upgrade work, greenfield implementation, transformation projects, migration work. There are many things, right? So myself is an example, have been working in BRM, right? Almost I'm completing more than 22 years in this area. So journey is pretty much good, excellent, I can say, and BRM gave me everything, and it's my bread and butter till today. So that's what I thought, the people who are feeling stuck and want to switch from testing operations to development, I have the course readily available because I have conducted, there are hundreds of sessions recorded. Start with C and the operating system fundamentals, whatever is that is needed for BRM. I have covered enough of practical examples, the business scenarios, right? And it's all hands-on experience, right? It's not just theory. So obviously I'm not going to conduct again second batch because everything is recorded. Only thing is I am not available, but one can go through the session. If you have any doubts, they can note it down, and then we can have sessions as needed. I'm here, just a WhatsApp message far away. So that's it. This is what I wanted to tell, and I want the stuck professionals, right? The people who may be working in BRM but not getting satisfied with the work. There is no salary hike because there is no growth, and keep doing the routine work. Those all things not needed. Rather, you upskill, keep growing to next level, and help your juniors to grow. This is what it is. So my idea is to enjoy your work, grow. We should grow and help others to grow. That is the motive. And along with that, I also insist people to take care of their health, right? Because health is the only wealth. So if we feel sound in body and mind, then we can finish the work in less time, and we can work with a focused mind. So along with this mentorship program, I do conduct yoga sessions for people to realize um, how much to bother the things, and how much to take care of ourself, what is self time, and how much do we need to spend on our body and mind, so that we feel always like energetic, and keep increasing our energy level. So this is in a nutshell, I wanted to cover the steps. And you can book a discovery call with me, discuss, and once I know in what stage you are, at what stage you are, so that based on that I can guide you, mentor you. And this mentorship program is not just for 2 or 3 months. Once you become my mentee, so you will remain in touch with me for lifelong, right? We grow together and help each other, and make sure that no one gets stuck and you know keep worrying. So this is what I faced in my career. I don't want the young generations or the mid-career IT professionals should suffer but enjoy the work, enjoy the life as a whole.